What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol WISH for WISH or ContextLogic officially. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this of course will be more of an update. We cover it semi-regularly on the channel. The last time we talked together about WISH, we were talking about the potential for a look below and fail back up into the range. But what did we talk about, right? Go back and watch the video because this is very important, right? We were not going long inside of WISH unless we took out this minor resistance trendline. Don't believe me? Go back and watch the video, right? So here it is, number of touches, really tight fit there. And obviously there was no breakout. It never happened. So there was no signal to really go long inside of WISH. And from there, obviously it would have been the right decision because there was a breakdown across the entire market really, but really feeling it inside of the tech sector. So as things sit right now, we're looking at this as once again a failed backtest of the area. You can look at it as almost similar as this, right? Failed backtest here led to lower. So what are we looking out for to the downside? If we scrunch the chart up, what you'll remember is that there's really nothing underneath us to look out for as structure. But what we can do is sort of forecast into the future. We don't do this often on the channel, but I think it's a fun exercise to do. Coming in from the high of the move down to the low, and then doing something like this to get our Fibonacci sort of extensions on there. What we would generally look for is a 61.8 extension. So let's go ahead and throw that on the chart. We'll go 61.8. And of course, after that, the 100% extension of the move. So we'll remove that, and that puts into play $5.11. I'd argue 5, the round number, is probably more important as just a psychological area. And then after that, we have $4.40. So those are downside forecasts. Again, just simply based off of fibs. I'm not saying those have to be the numbers, but those are potential areas where maybe, just maybe, there is a potential for reversal. We'll get this resistance trendline off the chart, take a look at how this unfolded through today's perspective here, and what we'll notice if we take out the fibs on this side, the retracement tool, of course, coming in from the high of this move here, so that's today's session, down to the first low, is that the first back test of the 38.2 was met with resistance. So strong selling there, or a lack of strength. You could look at it on either side of the coin from the buyers. This time from the high of the day all the way down to the low, and obviously that's going to give us a critical line in the sand. I would argue it's really not so much about the 38.2 here, but just this horizontal area where the back test sort of ran out on the first go, and also the prior support from the day earlier. That's at $5.74. So bearish consolidation happens under here for breakdowns to get into those targets which we just forecasted. If we can get back above 575, it's not a signal to go long, but rather be on the lookout for potentially a structural bottom, right? From the 30-minute perspective, we might get, if we're lucky, some sort of inverted head and shoulders that would look like this. I'm not sure where that neckline could be drawn in from, but something like that would be a bullish pattern that maybe you take advantage of for a quick scalp into the back test of 608. And again, that breakdown point in here closer to 620. So those are my thoughts inside of WISH. Not looking so hot as of right now, but we'll see how this one unfolds. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, definitely let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.